But they would say, no, no, just wake me up after 5 minutes. So I used to let them sleep at 10 for 10 minutes or more. Then suddenly they would get up and they, why you never woke me up? I said, because you were fast asleep. I said, how can I wake you up? Then they said, no, no, 5 minutes sleep is good. And I really tried it. There was a time I tried it myself. And really, you just drop off to sleep for 5 minutes and you're fresh after that. So just try it. Just put your head back, close your eyes, few minutes, and don't worry if you drop off to sleep, I'll wake you up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just try it with that. Try it. Don't worry. Just try it. Do, do, do. I asked my love. I not sung this for a long time. Like Stephen said. Stephen said he was surprised to hear this song because he lives on the banks of the Ohio, but he had never heard of this song before. I asked my love to take a walk, to take a walk, just a little walk down beside where the water flows, down by the bank of the Ohio. Let me get the wordings. I ask my love to take a walk, to take a walk, just a little walk down beside where the water flows, down by the bank of the Ohio, and only say that you'll be mine in no other arms entwined, down beside where the water flows, down by the bank of the Ohio. I held a knife against its breast, and into my arms he gently pressed. Oh, he cried, my love, don't you murder me. I'm not prepared for eternity. And only say that you'll be mine in no other arms entwined, down beside where the water flows, down by the bank of the Ohio. I wandered home between 12 and 1. I cried, my God, what have I done? I've killed the only man I love. He would not take me for his bride, and only say that you'll be mine in no other arms entwined, down by the bank of the Ohio, down by the bank of the Ohio, and say you will be mine, and in no other arms entwined, down beside where the water flows, down by the banks of the Ohio, down by the banks of the Ohio. Do, 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 do.